Alrighty, y'all. Here Crystal and I are. Just left Starbucks. Today is launch day, party day. We're gonna package some bricks. Get ready. What is going on, y'all? Let me show you what we got going on. I got some hard-boiled eggs with some pink Himalayan salt that I'm about to dive into. We are shipping bricks today. I got the labels printing off now, and then I'll show you kind of what our workflow's like. So yesterday we launched the bricks, we sold the bricks. Today we're shipping the bricks. Let me show you what that looks like. Alright, so I use a software called Shipping Easy. I ship everything from out of there. That's what I use for all my shipping. I print using this Zebra ZP450. Tear that, grab the labels. Got all my labels here. Actually, let's just go out this way. So, going out this way, again, I apologize. The warehouse is still a mess. Hopefully, we'll be able to get organized by the end of this week. And then we can be like ahead next week. Probably never gonna be ahead, but at least better off than we are now. Check this out, we got freaking whole crew of people coming. 3 of those are ours though. So, well, actually no, we got my cousin over there too, his truck. So we walk over here to the other warehouse and just take you from there. We need to get our dumpster in here because all the boxes are piling up. We ordered a dumpster though, so we're coming with that. Alright. Time for video footage, y'all. Alright. So we got Lane over here, packaging bricks. We got Crystal over here. We got Kayla over here. We got week's worth supplies going on now. So these are all the week's worth supplies. We're putting our hand signed card in there. We got all of our 2-week supplies here. And that's about what we got going on now. Making good headway?
Making good headway.
Alright. Lane, you brought a steak for today?
I got Italian sausage.
Ooh, that's gonna be good. And that is pretty much what our operation is now. Once we get all these packaged up, we'll take them to the post office distribution center, and I'll show you that too.
All right, guys, I have my brick in hand. I just reversed the van into the shop, and we're just finishing up packaging. We're gonna load up the van and then go to the post office. So let's go check it out.
Yeah, buddy.
How's the energy level in here?
House. A lot of boxes, baby.
Lots of boxes.
I'm gonna make a video clip of it, and then be like, all right, y'all, making the thumbnail, and we'll like point to it, and I'll take that picture. So it's gonna be a video in the vlog.
Got you.
And the thumbnail. All right, y'all, check this out. We're gonna make a very cool thumbnail for this vlog. Get ready.
Oh, we're pointing that way. I thought we were pointing at the camera.
What do you think about that?
What's up, everybody? Not so keto savage here. Crystal's looking at me.
Alright, y'all, check this out. All of these are keto bricks. Look at that. Good day's work?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, so Corey and I have been slaving unloading all those boxes. And then we come home and this is what we got. This is what we got going on. We got Laner over here grilling some hot dogs. Kayla over here.
Beef hot dogs.
Wait a
Beef hot dogs. It's like a little powwow going on over here.
Yeah, we just need lawn chairs.
Where's my steak?
Perfect. It's in the sous vide.
Sous vide. You excited, Lane? You hungry?
Dude, yeah, these sausages about to hit the spot.
Hit the spot. Let's do it. We got them in the sous vide?
Yep.
So what you got going on, baby?
Oh, I got Robert's ground beef cooking.
I got my ground beef cooking.
Smells good.
Got ground beef over there. We're getting a grand tour of the kitchen over here. It's a mess still. This is Crystal's first time using the sous vide.
Yeah.
How's it coming along? Pretty good?
Yes, good.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm really ready to eat.
Check out our refrigerator, y'all. It's the Keto Brick branded fridge. They make those now. Alright, y'all, I know it's kind of dark out here, so I apologize for that, but everybody asks, you know, why don't you go to a co-packer, why don't you outsource? It's for moments like this right here. I mean, check this out. We got all the vehicles here, which you can't really see because it's dark, but I mean, we're all one big happy family sitting on the ground because we don't have any chairs. We just got done making and shipping bricks all day. We're grilling out and we're just enjoying the camaraderie, you know? You can't get this at a co-packer. Isn't that right, y'all?
Amen.
That's right.
That's right.
Love y'all.
Love you.
Take care.
Keto.
Take care.